So listen, man. Good morning, y'all. First off, good morning, man. Dang, your boy looking crazy. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna go get that taken care of right now. I know I got a couple fans that be like, man, you need a haircut. You gotta get it. I'm going to get that taken care of right now, y'all. But March, y'all, 2019, man, springtime. It's looking like the perfect month, man, to buy a car. It's a lot of car manufacturers throwing some crazy deals out right now. So this one's for all my GM people, man. Gotta support the GM people too, man. So I just want to let y'all know, if y'all haven't already seen, GM's doing a 15% discount off the Camaros, and it's for it's pretty much from base model all the way up to the ZL1 model. So I'm gonna throw up the link and everything. I'm gonna have this feed go up right now, so y'all can see what the percentages off of the prices are. So I mean, this is a good advantage to take and go to your dealership. Probably try to get into a lease. A lot of people don't like a lease, but a lease probably gonna be a best option, especially for the ZL1 or the SS 1LEs and stuff like that, the higher V8 powered ones. Also, with the 15% with that being said, if there's already cars on the lot and they're already discount, you could try to use that extra 15% to your advantage to try to get it off of the MSRP. So I don't know if some of y'all are GM people or not, but I just gotta let y'all know, man, because man, when I seen this, I'm like, oh, that's not bad. So extra $2-3 grand off a car, that's usually what people need to squeeze out that payment that they looking for every month. So just want to let y'all know, man, 15% off all models. So, and usually that's the thing that caught my attention. I was just like, wait, what? It's off of all models. Usually it's only on 1 or 2 models. You can't use that discount with the higher performance ones. But no, it's for every single model from top to the bottom, every model. So listen, man, take advantage of that. If you're looking for a Camaro this year, and you're waiting for the summer, it might be a good idea to get one right now, because I don't know how long it's going. They did not say how long it's gonna go or how long it's gonna last. But currently, right now, 15% off. And then if you're a GM retiree, man, you're looking at crazy savings. I don't know if it's like you can bundle all of those deals all together, but I'm pretty sure you can work your advantages into all of it all at once. So just give it a shot, man. You never know. You never know until you try, man. But that's it. That's all I want to let y'all know, man. GM doing a thing this year, trying to push out some Camaros. As y'all know, or may not know, Camaros are not selling as well as they used to. Dodge and Ford is pretty much killing the sports game right now. I mean, this is actual facts. I'm not just saying this. It's in articles, multiple articles. The Camaro just not as hot as it used to be, you know. They still selling, but they not selling like they used to. The sales numbers have dropped. I want to say like consecutively, month after month after month. Try to get one of them bad boys, man. Why they on sale? So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Listen, stay tuned for the next one. I do gotta put up my video about the cars that I'm trying to get. That will be coming. I just had to get some time to go up to the dealership and do a walkthrough on the cars, because it's been cold. Like it's no snow. The snow's melting and stuff, but it's still like it's still like 30 degrees, 25 degrees. It's just like no wind blowing, so it's not that bad. But that's it. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.